Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and here is a group of trees or shrubs with teeny tiny loquats. You might say that I'm scraping the bottom, trying to find stuff for new videos to show you, and yeah, that's kind of true. January and February are not really the fruit season even on the Canary Islands, and actually the only main fruits you can find right now are citrus fruit and loquats. But I thought those are interesting enough just to show them. Well, loquats here on the Canary Islands are quite different than the ones we get in Germany or in other countries in the supermarkets. Usually the supermarket loquats are quite big. They are the size of big apricots. While here the loquats are considerably smaller. And also every tree is different since they seem to be seedling loquats. But I've never seen them that small when they are ripe. I mean, we had enough rain this winter, and also there seem to be some irrigation pipes here. So water shortage, well, okay, they look a bit shriveled up. Water shortage could be an issue, but normally a lot of loquats grow even in really dry valleys on the southern slopes of the island of La Gomera, where I'm right now, and they manage to get normal size small fruit. And those here, even with irrigation, they are teeny tiny, basically the size of cherries. And I guess that all those plants are related, or maybe the younger ones are seedlings or whatever. I can see a lot of seedlings here, look. Those are all teeny tiny loquat trees. But yeah, that's the special thing about those fruit, they are tiny. Now let's walk up this cliff. Oh, they might be tiny, but they are incredibly prolific. Look at that. Thousands upon thousands of those tiny cherry-sized fruit. And since this place looks kind of public, let's try them. They are quite ripe, overripe actually, look. The brown part. Not so good anymore. The taste is really ripe. Yeah. Nice and sweet, teeny tiny and hairy, but the taste is good, but the flesh to seed ratio isn't. Look at that, hardly 3 millimeters of flesh. That's not a lot for loquats. You need to stuff huge amounts of them into your mouth. So, final verdict. The trees are prolific, the fruit are tasty, but there's just too much stuff to clean from those tiny fruit. So folks, those were some tiny loquat fruit from the beautiful island of La Gomera. Well, I'm scraping the bottom towards the end of the mostly fruitless season. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of La Gomera, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.